Have you ever wondered how this cartoon cake is made? Yes, you heard me right. This is real cake. This is a real cake and not a cartoon cake. So guys, I posted this on my last video. As all was doubting, like I posted it on my as picture. So all was doubting saying that this is not cake. First of all, the secret of making this particular cake is that you make sure that your color combos are not too shouts. Like as you can see the pink color is not too shouts, just there, just being natural. So this is how I was able to make this wonderful and beautiful cartoon cake. I'm going to give it a try. We're going to leave that. Those drop it in the comment section. Follow my page for more recipe, baby.